Hey everyone, it's Animals Online. They've gone camera shy. They were flirting and kissing and having good times. But these are all my budgies. I'm selling them all. That cage there, plus the budgies, plus the finch, parrot face finch. I'm selling them all. The cage, the budgies, all of them. You see the finch there. Anyway, there's many budgies here. Cage, I think it's about 6 or 7 budgies maybe, plus zebra finches up there. 180 bucks, the whole lot. I don't want to sell them separately, I want to sell them all together. Got canaries too. There's one up on the balcony there, on the ledge. It's got a partner. Every bird has a partner. These two are flirting. The whole lot. The whole lot. Cage, birds, finches. 180 bucks. We're selling everything, and and you can enjoy them. They're all healthy, all happy, and all very well fed.
Yes.
And there's one of the, I think, that's the red firetail. He's got a partner too, so everyone has a partner, everyone has a friend, and they're all 180 bucks for the whole lot. Okay, let me know if you want to buy them. Only the cage, it's not the breeder boxes or the bowl there, but you get the message. Okay everyone, take care and have a great day. Bye for now.